Hi, my name is Akoto Appiah Akoto. I teach information communication technology. This is a computer mouse. It's used for pointing to objects on the computer screen. This is the monitor. It also displays what is happening inside the computer to the user. This is the computer keyboard used to enter data into the computer. This is the system unit. And this is the features of the Microsoft Word window. Okay. Then you move the mouse pointer to where the start button. Then you do what? Then you click on it. It's sometimes challenging. You will draw and you expect the student to do the same thing. But you go around to inspect it in their book, they will be doing a different thing because they are not familiar with the features. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? Yes. The window starts to display the name of the program what? Launch, or the name of the application what? Launch. And the resizing buttons, there are 3 of them. What are they? We are living in the computer age now, and I want my students to be equipped with all the necessary skills in order to compete with other students in urban cities. I was very happy when my pictures went viral, even though I wasn't expecting it in that way. And on that, you can find what? File, edit, view, insert, format, tool, and type a question for what? For help.